Hello dear friends, this is Mansoor Ahmad, and in this tutorial I will show you that how to lock USB in your PC, that your PC will not detect USB when you insert it in the PC or in your laptop. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to start and open run. Click on run and type regedit and hit enter. After this, click on H key local machine. After this, click on system, then current control set, and then services, and then go down and find USB store. Here, this is USB store. Click on this and click on this start. Double click or right click and modify. Change this 3 value to 4. In USB, PC is not detecting USB. Now I am going to show you that how to unlock this again. To this registry directory and click on USB store, and then start again. Change this value to 4 to 3. Sorry, to again 4. Change 4 to 3 and click on OK. Now close this registry and insert USB. This is USB which is detected by PC after unlocking USB port. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment below. Thank you.